Kenya and all the leaders here, the leadership of the church that we've come to celebrate 11 years today, ladies and gentlemen, let me take this very first opportunity to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya for finding time to come and celebrate with us today on this occasion of the 11 years of this chapel. Secondly, let me take this opportunity to thank the church and Pastor Moruabe for being steady in ensuring that this church continues to grow and continues to support our people in Kisii and to bring all our souls to God. Congratulations once again. Thirdly, Your Excellency, and I'm going to move very fast because I know you are pressured for time, I want to bring the apologies of our SG who got unwell and was supposed to be here today, but he got unwell. Thirdly, Your Excellency, we have just finished our KCSE examinations, which we finished yesterday. This year, we had 3.4 million learners undertaking assessments and examinations. Out of the 3.4 million, we only registered 418 instances of malpractices in the whole country, a reduction from 600 in 2024. And I want to congratulate all of us, including our learners across the whole country, for a job well done. And to assure you parents that the government is in control in ensuring that the transition to grade 10 is on course, and no parent, no learner, no teacher should be worried that the transition will not happen. In next year, by the 12th of January, all our learners will be in grade 10, and if there are any challenges, the government is ready to undertake those challenges. Your Excellency, I want to thank you because of the promises you have given to us as a community in various places, development programs, including the University of Nyamira, whose construction has already started. I want to thank you because you make promises and you keep them. And for those who think that those promises are not going to be fulfilled, including the airstrip at Suneka, the stadium here, the housing from the prisons, we are going to shame you. We are going to shame you because it is going to happen, and a construction is not something that will keep in the pocket. You will see it. And the university that we are undertaking next year in September will admit the first cohort of the students. So I want to take the general view and just thank you for everything that you are doing. The support you are giving us in the education sector, the teachers that we are employing, the curriculum that we have done to ensure that our students have enrolled and have transitioned to the competency-based education. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and the people in the Ministry of Education appreciate you for the guidance and the support you've given us, including helping us resolve all the strikes that were there from NAT, KUPPET, and UWASU. Kwa hayo machache, I do not want to take too much time. I want to now welcome you to speak to the people. Please, guys, stand up as we welcome our President to speak to us. Your Excellency, welcome.